I'm gonna show you how to prevent salt stains and any type of staining from building up on your hat and setting in. So obviously a customer wrote us, sent us this image saying, hey, my hat's staining, what's going on? And so the first thing, guys, is I actually build my hats to absorb sweat. I want the sweat out of my eyes anytime I'm working out or doing anything athletic where I'm sweating. So this is how the hat's designed. This isn't like one of those hats where you see the water beating up and, you know, rolling off the hat. This hat is not made to repel water. It's made to absorb water. So with that, you gotta treat your hat and you gotta basically clean it and care for it like you do your garments that you're sweating in. So I'm gonna run into the house real quick, into the bathroom, and show you what to do. All right, you have to do this every time you sweat in your hat. You either take it in the shower with you, rinse it, and rub all the sweat stains, soak the heck out of the hat, or you wanna throw it in the sink. All right, so my sink's pretty much full. You just wanna soak this hat, and I call this quick rinsing. You wanna rinse all that sweat and staining as much as you can. Massage the inside of the sweatband, everything that's absorbing water. You just want to work this hat into the water and make sure to get all that sweat out. All right, so my hat's pretty much soaked, thoroughly rinsed. I'm gonna put this on the hook. In 12 hours, this thing will be dry. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning, actually, and you're gonna see that the sweat stains are gone. It is now the next morning. So the hat's perfectly dry, and you can see there's no staining on the hat. Guys, quick rinse your hat, it works. So I'm gonna wear this again today, and I'm gonna sweat in it. I'm about to go down to my neighbor's house and hit the gym. So guys, remember, quick rinse your hat every time you sweat. Make sure that it's not building up day after day. It's gonna work wonders. It's gonna keep your hat from getting all funky, and it just works.